Next step in learning how to use the forum is to learn how to create a post. And you will also learn how to edit that post as well as to reply to a post. So that's what we're going to cover in this video. And the way to do it, let's go to the lounge. It's a good place to put a post. So click on the lounge, and to create a new post, I use the new topic button. Just click that button. You put a subject line, just say, let's see, one thing we're going to be doing is a confidentiality handshake. So say introduction and confidentiality handshake. And then if I'm going to actually do my introduction, I would say a little bit about myself, maybe what kind of experience I have in the work, where I'm from, a little bit like what we did on the call the other day. And so just introduce yourself, share anything that you'd like to share. And then the next part would be to just say that I agree to keep everything that I learn here confidential. And you can say this in your own words, but the idea is we're all agreeing with each other to keep what we learn about each other here confidential. In other words, whatever happens in Inquiry Circle stays in Inquiry Circle. And this is a very important basis for our sharing here together. We can do the work on anything, and this is a safe place for us to share in this way. But this rests on us all agreeing that we will not be talking about what we learned about other people in the outside of this forum. Sometimes you can speak in general terms about things that you're learning or insights that you're having, certainly about your own work. But the idea is not to pass on any kind of knowledge about other people. So just leave your confidentiality handshake. And so I'm going to just say, I'm just going to do shorthand, introduce myself, and then there's my agreement. When I'm ready to hit submit, I just click here, and it is now posted in the lounge. And you'll see this is it shows up at the top. There's another post in here. If somebody leaves a comment on this other post, then it will jump up above and be at the top. Always the most recently commented or most recently posted things are at the top, and then they go down from there. So that's how you create a topic. Now let's say you wanted to edit it. You had written something, but you actually wanted to add to it or change something. Just click on the post, and you'll see this little pencil icon right here. Just click on that, and then you can edit it and add more stuff right there. And then hit submit again, and you'll see if you go back, you can see that it has been added to the actual post. And if you go back to the lounge, you'll see the post is still there, and the new updated version is there. You can also delete a post that you write as long as no one has left a comment on it. So that would be done by clicking this X button, and it will allow you to delete the post. You have to confirm it, but that's an option as long as no one has left a comment. If someone has left a comment, then you cannot delete the post. However, if there's something you really want to delete, you can contact me and I can delete the post, even if people have left a comment. Let's see. Then the other thing I wanted to mention is how to leave a reply. So this is just as easy. There's a little post reply button, and I would just leave my reply. I'm just going to save my reply. You can use like emojis if you like to, and then just hit submit. And the reply gets tagged on to the bottom of the post. If I do another reply, then that will also be added to the bottom. Oops. Oh, Can't leave a post too soon after your last post. Let's try it again. There, that was better. So these posts keep getting added to the bottom of the thread, and slowly a thread starts building, and people may comment on anything going on in the thread at any time. So that's how you create a post and edit a post and comment or leave a reply to a post. So the assignment today is to go into the lounge and create a new post called Introduction and Confidentiality Handshake, and just introduce yourself, say a little something about yourself, and then agree to keep everything confidential. And that'll be it for today.